If one day you go to buy gold, the first thing the seller will ask you is, what carat of gold do you want? 18, 21, or 24? If you have no experience in this field, you might wonder what these numbers 18, 21, and 24 mean. Contrary to what one might think, gold is a very soft metal. If you take a piece of pure gold and press firmly on it, you'll notice that your fingers leave a mark on its surface. This is why jewelers mix pure gold with other elements like copper, silver, and other metals to increase its durability. To measure the purity of gold, they use a unit called carat. The maximum value is 24 carats, meaning that if a piece of jewelry is described as 24 carat gold, it is composed of almost 100% pure gold. On the other hand, if we talk about 21 carat gold, it means that 21 parts out of 24 are pure gold, and the remaining 3 parts are other metals. Similarly, 18 karat gold consists of 18 parts pure gold and 6 parts added metals. There are also other carat values like 14, 12, 10, and even lower, but these are not very common in the USA or European countries. It's important to note that each carat of gold has its own specific uses. For example, 24 karat gold, as explained earlier, is very soft and is typically used only for making gold bars, which people buy to preserve the value of their money. Additionally, the manufacturing costs and margins for this type of gold are relatively low. 21 karat gold, which is popular, is used to make rings, bracelets, and other jewelry because it is stronger than 24 karat gold. As for 18 karat gold, it is the most popular choice because it is strong enough to allow for the creation of various shapes and fancy jewelry while still remaining malleable. This balance of strength and flexibility makes it ideal for crafting intricate designs. In summary, the carat of gold determines its purity and strength, which in turn influences its use. 24 karat gold is almost pure and used primarily for investment purposes, while 21 karat and 18 karat gold are more commonly used in jewelry due to their added durability. Lower carat values exist but are less common in certain regions. So now you understand the real difference between 24 karat, 21 karat, and 18 karat gold. It's not just numbers, it's a balance between purity, strength, and purpose. Pure gold may sound ideal, but it's too soft for daily wear. That's why different carats exist. Some for preserving wealth, others for crafting durable, beautiful jewelry. The key takeaway: the best gold isn't the highest number, it's the one that fits your goal. If this changed how you think about buying gold, don't stop learning here. Subscribe to Rethink Real, because in the next video, we're uncovering another everyday thing people misunderstand, and knowing the truth could save you money. Stay informed, stay sharp,